Most people waste their NYSC year. They wait, they complain, they count down. But a small percentage use that same 12 months to completely change their trajectory and come out job ready in tech before NYSC ends. This is exactly how to do it. NYSC gives you one unfair advantage: time plus low pressure. No serious career expectations yet. Flexible schedule, access to internet and a laptop. That's enough to build a valuable tech skill if you approach it strategically. Step 1. Pick a high-leverage skill. Don't guess. Avoid tech as a vague idea. Be specific. Focus on skills with high demand, clear entry paths, and portfolio-based hiring. Examples: front-end development, back-end development, data analysis, UI/UX design. Pick 1, not 3, not 5. Step 2. Follow a structured learning path. Random YouTube videos won't make you job ready. You need a defined curriculum, project-based learning, and progressive difficulty. Your goal is not learning. Your goal is building proof of work. Step 3. Build real projects. This is everything. Projects are your currency, not tutorials, not certificates. Build 3 to 5 solid projects. Solve real problems. Example: don't just build a to-do app. Build a system someone can actually use. Step 4. Document your journey publicly. This is your unfair advantage most people ignore. Post consistently. What you're learning, what you're building, problems you're solving. Platforms: LinkedIn, Twitter, or a personal blog. Step 5. Start applying before you feel ready. Don't wait until NYSC ends. At month 6 to 8, apply for internships, apply for freelance gigs, reach out to startups. You're not trying to be perfect. You're trying to get in the game early. If you execute this properly, NYSC stops being a waiting period and becomes a launchpad. By the end of your service year, you won't be asking, what next? You'll already have skills, projects, and opportunities lined up. Choose which one you'll be. I'm Lawrence. Turn your skills into income systems. Visit skilldential.com today.